Have you ever wanted to make your own web browser or have full control over the source? Because modern day web browsers have become untrustworthy or unreliable at times? Well, you came to the right place because in today's video, we're going to be getting the source code of Firefox and modifying it to our needs. This video won't go too much into the source code. Instead, it will teach you on how to obtain the source code and setting up the environment. Anyways, before getting started, please ensure that your system meets the requirements so that you won't run into any issues. I'll be using Ubuntu for this, but I think the instructions should be very similar on Windows. Okay, the very first thing you need to do right now is to install Git and curl. Then install the other necessities. Next, go to the repository and copy the web URL. Once you got everything, create a new directory and name it. You don't need to do this, but there's nothing wrong with being organized. After that, clone the repository into the directory. While it clones, don't forget to like and subscribe, as it will help the YouTube channel. Anyways, let's do some art. We will start by making the web browser's icon. I will make 3 sizes of the browser icon. 32 by 32 for the top left window icon, 64 by 64 for the app switchers, and 128 by 128 for the app launchers. Ensure you save them as a PNG. Nice, I've made a decent looking icon for the browser. Well, I think so. Okay, let's plan out the UI changes that I want to make to the web browser. I want to change the back and forward buttons and make the top bar transparent because I think it will look cool. Now let's do the forward and back buttons. Make them 16 by 16 and save them as a SVG. Once the cloning is done, enter the Firefox directory. And type match bootstrap. Type 1 for artifact mode, because it is a faster build. For the setup, choose any option you want. When it says system should be ready to build, type mash build to build the browser. After the browser is built, type mash run to run the browser. Press Ctrl Shift Alt I for the UI Inspect tool. In this video, we won't need to use it, but it is a tool available for you to use. The first modification you need to do is replace the forward and back icons. Browsers, and then themes, shared, and then lastly icons. Rename and replace the icons of yours. Go to Browser, Branding, and Unofficial. Again, rename and replace the icons of yours. Once done, go to the terminal and type mash run to see the changes. Oh no, I misnamed the back and forward buttons. Okay, I renamed them to the correct names, and now everything is now perfect. I did mess up the reload button off camera by mistake, but it's fine. The last thing I want to do is to make the tab bar transparent. Go to Browser, Themes, Shared, and find a file named browsercolors.css. Open and edit. Go back to the terminal and type mash build faster. And then mash run. Wow, it looks amazing with that transparent tab bar. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time.